welcome to Tummy Treats. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite dish, that is veg Manchuria. This is gonna be softest and tastiest ever. Firstly, I'm grating cabbage using a peeler. This tip really works for you. Here comes the toughest part. Take a cotton cloth. I'm using a handkerchief here. You may use it instead. Take 1 cup of grated carrot. Squeeze out water from it as shown. Do the same with 2 cups of grated cabbage. The ratio of carrot and cabbage should be 1:2. Take a mixing bowl and add in both squeezed cabbage and carrot. Mix them well by adding 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Add salt to taste. Mix them well by squeezing out any water left in it. Here is a secret ingredient. Adding a boiled potato increases the soft texture to the dish. Pour a little water and mix the dough. Do not add more water at once. Add it more if needed in between. Knead it well as you may get semi-soft dough. It shouldn't be neither hard nor soft. Make equal size balls out of the dough. Meanwhile, heat the oil for its boiling point and fry the Manchurian balls on medium flame. Turn in between to cook inside and out equally. Remove them when they turn golden brown as shown. Get ready for the final step by finely chopping all the veggies required. And make half cup of corn flour water using 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add a tablespoon of garlic. Add a tablespoon of ginger. 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. A tablespoon of green chilies. Adding 2 tablespoons of capsicum, which is completely optional, and add salt to taste. Toss them until they lose the raw smell. Remember to add veggies one by one quickly, only on high flame. At this point, add half tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of pepper powder, and half tablespoon of sesame seeds. You may skip the sesame seeds if you don't like them. Add corn flour water by giving it a mix, or it may leave a residue at the bottom. Cook it until it leaves oil out of it and becomes a thick gravy. It's time to add our Manchurian balls. Toss them in the gravy only on high flame. Then turn off the flame when 60% of the gravy was absorbed by the Manchurian balls. Remember that no chili powder should be added to it. Give it a final touch by adding coriander leaves on top. Serve it hot to your family and friends. Trust me, it's definitely gonna be your yummy tummy treat.